Welcome to Evolving Code. My name is Naresha. Usually, in our episodes, we see some piece of code evolve and we discuss what lessons can we learn by seeing the code evolve. But in this episode, we are trying a new format wherein I'm trying to share some experience from my professional career. In this particular incident, which happened more than 10 years ago, and I was mentoring a developer who was working on a piece of front end part. He had to develop a table to which you can dynamically add rows. And to start with, he was making use of string concatenation to construct this tr tag, and tr tag will contain several td tags, which in turn contains html controls. The initial requirements were simple, and this particular approach was working well. However, over a period of time, the requirements evolved and it became more complex. So we had a lot of conditions got introduced into whether a particular control has to be added or not. The certain control has to be enabled, which it should be editable, and when you delete certain rows, certain other rows have to be deleted. All such complexities became part of the domain. Now the developer was finding it very hard to cope up with the changes. Whenever he made certain changes, a lot of bugs creeped in, and he was finding it very difficult to find out the errors. Now at this point in time, I observed this, and I recommended him to make use of template engine such as Mustache or Handlebars, so that you don't have to necessarily rely upon string concatenation, which was actually the source of all these problems. However, after a couple of days, I see that he hadn't made any efforts to make use of one of these templating engines. So I had a discussion one on one with this developer, and I wanted to know if he's facing any challenges in integrating these libraries. However, to my surprise, the actual issue was very different. What he told me was that it hurt him a lot to throw those part of the code which he had put a lot of effort to come up with. So that was the main problem. Immediately, the first thing I told him was that don't fall in love with your own code. Then I went on to explain him about the purpose of why we write the code. The code is there in order to fulfill the business value. It has to add value. It has to help the user to get his or her work done and deliver value to the other stakeholders as well. Now in this point in time, his code, which he might have put in a lot of effort, however, was not helping him to meet those requirements, and he should have been willing to throw that code away and try something else which works and which is easy to evolve to. So there are multiple reasons why we may have to change the code. One is definitely the change in requirements. Others could be that you are making use of a library version 1 which you want to upgrade to another version of the same library, or you might have found out a different library which is better than your initial library, so you might want to replace the newer library with the older one. So because of all these both technical as well as business related reasons, we might have to make changes to our code, or the code has to evolve to meet the new requirements and to make or to lower the cost of maintainability as well. And after explaining this, he understood the aspects, and he was more than willing to throw away that piece of code and embrace one of the templating libraries, and able to deliver the intended business value. Especially engineers who are new to software development, there is a good chance that such incidents might occur. You might love the process of coding, developing solution, but it's important not to fall in love with the particular solution or particular code that implements some solution, right? It's only good as long as it is delivering value. The moment code is not delivering the intended value, we should be more than willing to throw away that piece of code. And the reason why I'm sharing this incident with you is because we don't have to make all possible mistakes ourselves and learn from those. We can also learn from the mistakes made by our colleagues or friends in the industry, and that is one of the reasons why I felt it is important to share this incident with all of you. So my request to all of you would be to please share this video with your friends if you really don't want your friends to make the same mistakes. I have also blogged about this incident years ago, and if you are interested in reading the blog, I will leave the link in the descriptions. I hope you found this video useful. I'll be happy to share more such incidents in the upcoming videos. To stay up to date with the evolving code, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.